Hi, I'm Brady Forrest, and I'm just here to announce we have not sold to AOL.
All right, I'm Sarah Milstein. I'm not going to announce we are. So that video you just saw that's called Pixels, it's by a man named Gene Patrick. You can find it on YouTube, and we'll post the link, of course, on Twitter. We are the program chairs for this show. That means we set the program, and that means we want to hear from you if you really love your speakers. So this is where you can find us on Twitter. And we also want to hear from you if you have a great idea for another video for us to show tomorrow before the keynotes open. We're looking for something that's in the neighborhood of 2 minutes, that's New York related, that's tech related. So shoot us a link if you've got something great. So before we start on our program today, a couple of housekeeping slides. Most important, of course, is that we want to thank our platinum sponsor, which is Microsoft. They're here with the Windows 7 phone. And our gold sponsor, which is Rackspace Hosting. We've got some good stuff coming up here tonight. Startup Showcase, which we're going to be talking about during the keynotes. It's going to get rolling. It starts right after this, and that's sponsored by .co, and they've got some goodies associated with that. All right, so, and Tweet Up tonight, which is also hosted by .co, down in the lobby at 9 o'clock. All right, so Brady's going to talk a little bit about the program we've got lined up for the rest of today.
All right, we've got a bunch of great speakers. They are from both this coast and the West Coast. We're going to be delving into platforms. I'm going to be interviewing the CTO of, we're really just chatting with him, not grilling anything. The CTO of Facebook, talking about the platform, how it's spread, whether or not you can depend on it. And actually, if you have any questions for him, you've got about 10 more minutes to tweet out your questions to hashtag AskFB. And I'll be monitoring that. We're also going to hear from one of the directors of MoMA, and we'll hear from a local startup that does a lot with data and e-commerce, and we're going to round out the hour with another musical performance from a local iPad DJ. So it should be a fun hour and a half.